Myalty Cares presents.
How to create a sling for a flaccid arm. First off, let me apologize for my head being cut off in this video. Now, these are the benefits of having a sling. So it's important that you follow your doctor's orders and use a sling appropriately.
I'm going to actually show you how I use a sheet to stabilize his arm before we practice our sit-to-stand transfers. Also keep in mind that the facility does not have a sling for Kieran. So this is what I'm going to use just to protect his arm and make sure he doesn't get subluxed at the shoulder joint, okay? So what I like to do is I like to take my sheet and I'm just going to fold it just about halfway, okay? And I'm going to bring Kieran's arm directly over his chest. Kieran, can you hold your arm there for me? Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Can you keep it like that? What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the sheet onto his lap and I'm going to tuck it directly underneath his arm. Okay? The other half that's showing, I'm going to flip it directly over. Okay, Kieran, you can go ahead and take your other arm out and I'll hold your arm. Okay? And what you're going to do, you're going to bring it directly across Kieran's upper shoulder, just like that. Okay? And you're going to bring it right around his back. Go ahead and bend forward for me, Kieran. Okay? I'm going to come over this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a nice knot.
Thank you.
How's that feel, Kieran?
Feels good.
Arm feels pretty secure?
Yep.
Okay, so there you have it. So now Kieran's arm is completely supported by the sheet and I don't have a sling that I'm using to do it. But this is going to make sure that his joint is safe when he practices standing up. Okay? Please make sure you subscribe for more videos.
All right, the time is here, Tuesday, January 22nd, 2019. My book is coming out. Be sure to pick it up.